A professionally built classic that delivers on every level. This sweet Camaro is the kind of car that's simply a blast to own. Backing 6.2 liters of LS3 V8 with a Tremec transmission, RideTech suspension, and aggressive aesthetics. This fully sorted 68 Camaro draws big crowds. The beneficiary of a ground-up restoration that stripped its solid profile completely bare. This first-gen Camaro is the product of patience and craftsmanship. Those skills shine bright under deep Chrysler Granite Metallic 2-stage and traditional Chevy Rally Stripes. Inside is a stylish custom interior that incorporates thoughtful upgrades and vintage flash. Heavily bolstered TMI buckets sit in front of a GM bench and face a TMI-capped dash that features modern audio, AC, and new gauges. And the driver grips a Momo steering wheel and fashionable short shifter. Under the hood, a 6.2-liter LS3 crate engine is rated at 495 horsepower, and it's backed by an upgraded Tremec 6-speed and Ford 9-inch. As it sits, this Camaro offers the best of both worlds, a fully restored classic and a sweet muscle car that's virtually guaranteed to hold its appeal. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.